These are called rational expressions. Rational just means fractions. Expressions means there's no equal signs. There's a difference between rational expressions and equations with equal signs. No matter what, you're finding a lowest common situation, whether it's a denominator or multiple. When you have expressions, you are finding the lowest common denominator, and the way that you're going to do that is anytime you can factor stuff out, you do so. Looking at this first case, I look at 3x squared and 12x, and I say what goes into both, and they both have numbers in front. 3 goes into 12, so I'm going to write 3, and they both have an x. Again, factoring out that term, we write down what's left. 3x times what makes 3x squared? We need an x, plus 3x times what makes 12x? 3x times 4 makes 12x. My other denominator was 2x, and what I'm going to find is the lowest common denominator. My other way of remembering lowest common denominator is what's in common, what do you see in both, and then what's left. And by asking yourself these two questions, you're going to be good to go. What's in common? I look at both terms. I cannot compare x plus 4 to anything else, so it would have to look identical to x plus 4. So I'm going to pay attention to 3x and 2x. The only thing that they have in common is just the x. What's left is the 3, the 2, and the x plus 4. And I'll put all that in parentheses. So let me repeat one more time. They both have x in common. What's left? The 3, the 2, and the x plus 4, the things that have not used.